What's going on, guys? Hope everyone is having a good week so far. So, I am a commercial broker and I deal with a lot of different types of commercial properties, but I also have my own personal investments. And I'm here to talk to you guys today. Pretty much something that I came across when I was doing my taxes that I don't really take um, advantage of too often, and that is um, Goodwill. So oftentimes I'm cleaning stuff out at my house and I just feel bad to just throw it away. So I drop it off, probably like most of you, to Goodwill. And they give you this little very generic receipt. Well, I'm here to talk to you guys about what can you do with that receipt. So basically, Goodwill has this, and I'll throw this up on the screen, has this valuation guide for donors that you can use. And it really has a set amount that they allow you to deduct or to claim on your taxes as a deduction. Now, there's a couple of rules that you'll have to do in order to meet the standards that the IRS has and will avoid you any headaches. So I've pretty much created a spreadsheet. So I'm going to first share what the deductions look like. So right now I am sharing the valuation guide for Goodwill donors. So, and this is, I don't know if this is true for just the state of Georgia or anywhere. It appears to be anywhere, but as you can see here, it's 2 pages basically. So the first pages has it broken out into clothing and accessories and houseware. The second page has electronics and media and furniture. But just this is something good for you to have. Now, what I would do if I were you is to set up a spreadsheet, and I'm going to share what I did here. So I created a spreadsheet where I just took their basic information and I just plugged it in. So I plugged in their estimated value. Then I created a column that said quantity, and then just with a simple formula of this, the value times the quantity will give you an amount. So for example, I did make a donation on the 16th and they gave me this very generic receipt. But some of the things that you have to include is the location, the date, the time, and the receipt number. So I've pretty much created this bracket. For example, I gave 4 pairs of jeans, 2 pairs of shoes, 2 bikes, some video games, DVDs, books. And so I pretty much had it subtotal or total everything out. So for this one, I can claim $161 based on this trip to Goodwill. And what I've also done is I've been able to pretty much have it print out. So I pretty much was able to print it out into one page that has everything. So this, again, it's got the valuation from Goodwill, the important information, which is the location, the date, the time, the receipt number, and a copy of the receipt. So this kind of helped me to present one page to the IRS or to my accountant whenever I'm ready to do the claim. So I can reuse this template every time I make a donation, and I just go on and fill this out. There are other rules. I guess you can't um, claim a certain percentage of your reported income, but that's between you and your tax advisor to let you know. So I hope this video has helped. I know this is something that I was not sure what to do with that receipt. I didn't know if I just hand it in, but when I looked at it, it's just a very generic receipt, doesn't have an amount on it. But like I said, Goodwill provides a valuation of items, and then this is up to you to create this little sheet so you can present to your accountant and claim a deduction on your taxes. So please like and subscribe.